How to schedule a post on Twitter with your mobile phone. As you can see here on Twitter app, there is no option available for scheduling a post. Now I'm gonna tell you a secret method to schedule a post on Twitter. For this, you have to go to Chrome and log into your Twitter account, selecting the open with Chrome option on your phone. Now I'm selecting this Chrome option here, and now your Twitter account will open. Click on plus button, select the image or video or text you want to schedule. You can add caption also. After this, just click on the calendar button available near the location option. Now select the date and time to schedule your post. Now just click on confirm and schedule button and your post is scheduled.